Salary rate for DepEd's new teaching positions, Teacher 4 up to Teacher 7. The salary rate for the DepEd's new positions Teacher 4 to 7 is as follows. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte signed an executive order in his final days in office that creates 5 new positions for public school teachers and expands the career progression system. Consequently, Teacher 4, Teacher 5, Teacher 6, Teacher 7, and Master Teacher 5 are now available for promotion. This executive order aims to increase the number of teaching positions in the DepEd from Teacher 4 to Teacher 7, and up to Master Teacher 5, by providing teachers with merit-based career advancement promotion opportunities. This and subsequent steps will ultimately benefit our students in terms of teaching and learning quality. Based on the current salary table, here is the expected monthly salary for each corresponding new teaching position with this issuance. Teacher 4, SG 14, 32,321 pesos. Teacher 5, SG 15, 35,097 pesos. Teacher 6, SG 16, 38,150 pesos. Teacher 7, SG 17, 41,508 pesos. Master Teacher 5, SG 22, 69,963 pesos. Kung gusto ninyo ang ganitong content, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito sa pag-click ng subscribe button at pag-share ng video na ito. Maraming salamat po.